Ever wanted to make your videos play backward for a mind-bending effect? Here's how to do it in CapCut in under 90 seconds. First, open your CapCut app and tap the plus icon to start a new project. This is where all the magic begins. Now, navigate to your media library and select the video clip you want to reverse tap Add to bring it into your editing timeline. Once your video is on the timeline, tap on the clip itself to select it. You'll see a white border appear around it, indicating it's active for editing. Along the bottom of your screen, you'll find a toolbar with various editing options. Look for the Edit option and tap on it. Within the Edit menu, you'll find a button labeled Reverse. This is the key to our backward journey. Tap on it to initiate the reversal process. CapCut will now process your video clip. This usually happens very quickly, depending on the length of your clip. As you can see, the video clip on your timeline is now playing backward. The playhead also moves in reverse, confirming the effect. Go ahead and scrub through your reversed clip on the timeline to see the effect in action. Notice how the movement is now completely backward. You can now play back the entire preview to see your reversed footage in its full glory. This adds an incredible, often humorous or dramatic, twist to any scene. Once you're happy with the reversed clip, you can make further edits or tap the export icon in the top right corner to save your amazing creation. And there you have it. You've just learned how to reverse video in CapCut, opening up a world of creative possibilities for your videos. Go out there and amaze your viewers with some backward action.